I've seen things you people wouldn't believe.
Fell in love years ago with an innocent girl from the Spanish and Indian home of the heroes and villains. Once at night, Cotillion Square they fight, and she was right in the rain of the bullets that eventually brought her down. But she's still dancing in the night, unafraid of what a doodle do in a town